What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. This is Rob with RK Motorsports. Today we are going to be going over the price reveal for the 08 Daytona 675. Now, first things first, I want to go ahead and give everybody that's subscribed to the channel a big shout out. We have passed 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I never thought I'd get here. So I've got another giveaway going on. We've got some detailing spray, some decals, some microfiber cloths, and I got a couple different RK Motorsports hats. So I'm going to give that for the grand prize winner. You can follow my Instagram. I've got the link below, and I'll post it at the bottom of the video. And I'm going to add some more information at the end of the video on that. So let's get to it. Let's do the price reveal for this Daytona 675. Now, first things first, I know you guys always wonder what I picked these bikes up for. Now, if you remember, the front wheel of this bike looked like that. A little flashback, little reminder. We got a big bend right there. And here's the old forks. The bottom portions snapped right off. So if you remember, this whole front end of the bike was all messed up. Fairings were off. So I originally picked this bike up for $800. Now that was a pretty good deal. Originally I saw it for sale for $15, managed to get it down to $8, so that was pretty good. And then, so the big expenses were like the forks and the front rim, because that's basically where most of the damage was. So a new front rim, I actually bought two sets. I bought one front rim for $243. And then I ended up buying this second set right here for $140. Now this second set had the tire, the rim, the rotors all included, and it was cheaper, so I said why not, I'll just get all that. Left side rear set I had to get because this one was broken. That little shifter side, that was $67. I had to get a right side foot peg, this little guy, that was $21. Another big expense was the fairings. So we got this nice high-vis yellow whole entire fairing set. That was $430. I also had to get the ram air duct. It's the little duct that is down on the inside. This little guy right here. Ended up getting one for $50. Also had to get a new front stay. That's the metal piece in here, kind of that mounts on and kind of holds everything in the front together. That I got OEM brand new, so that was $178. That was pretty expensive. The other big expense right here was the front forks. I had to get a new set because our old ones were busted up, and that new set of forks, used forks, was $432. And if you guys remember, I had to get that little steering stop welded in the front of the frame. I had my buddy hook me up with that. That was $60. I ended up getting the new gasket for this, which I didn't end up using. So that gasket was $10, not a big deal. Also had to do the coolant flush, just some basic maintenance stuff for the bike. That was about $30 for materials, just a lot of time for flushing that out. And an oil filter and change, that was about $35. I had a lot of the stuff laying around already. So if you guys were keeping track with all of those prices, here we go again. We have the purchase price of the bike, which was $800. The parts total of everything that I put into this bike was $1,696. So the overall total for this bike right here is $2,496 altogether. So again, I like to stress that I don't include any labor costs. That's strictly just for the bike and all the parts that I put into it. Again, I'd like to get some feedback from you guys. Again, your feedback kind of helps me make these bikes better. As you can see, I finally went through and got some high-vis decals to cover up those old gray ones. So you guys definitely help make these bikes better. And again, I like to just show my appreciation by giving back. So again, I'm having a giveaway on my Instagram. Follow the link down. I have it in the description. I'll put it again at the bottom of this video. I'm going to be having 5 winners. So first place winner is going to get all of this stuff. Plus I have a couple different kinds of hats that you can choose from. I'll throw in for you. And winners 2 through 5 are going to get decal set of RK Motorsports decals. So again, I'm just giving back. I appreciate the support from everybody. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below, and I appreciate the support. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for the support. Peace.